Hello friends, I am Rahul and you are watching my YouTube channel Rahul Pramanik. So most of you guys don't know how to block any contact number in Jio Phones. Even I did not know till yesterday. So today I will show you how you can easily block any contact number, either it is saved or not. So how to block it. So without making late, let's get started. First of all, you need to open the phone's dial pad. Then the number you want to block, you have to click on the number. I want to block the number starting with 913335, so I have clicked on the number. Then you will find two options, call and options. You have to click on options. Then it will show up some options. At the top you will find call information, then click on it. Then here it will find two options, cancel and block. Then simply click on block and it will ask you again whether you wanna block or not. Then again click on block. This number has successfully been blocked, you can see here. So if you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more tech related updates.